Good morning, everyone. I'm making bento for my daughter and my wife. Today's main dish is a korokke, which is potato croquette. First, I steam the potato using a bamboo steamer. Many Japanese people think that korokke is a true Japanese food. Actually, it came from Europe, but it was over 100 years ago. I'm cutting garlic into small pieces. Typically, we don't put garlic into korokke, but I like the garlic and potato combination, so I just put a little bit. And I'm cutting onions also into small pieces. Usually, you cook korokke with onions, potato, and ground meat. I'm making it with ground beef today, but you can make it with ground pork or you can make it with ground chicken. You can also make them without any meat in it. That is also okay. I usually make steamed rice, white rice for bento, but today I'm making omurice, which is omelette with fried rice. And this is very typical Japanese food also. And I'm gonna put in. I usually put a lot of vegetables in fried rice because my kids do not like some of the vegetables like green peppers. So I'm cutting like green, red, and yellow peppers, and also carrots and zucchini, courgette, and I'm put some green beans. Because I'm cutting them into small pieces, my kids they will not realize that there are so many vegetables in it. So onions are cooked, and I'm gonna put ground beef. You cook the meat until it's done, well done, and put some salt to taste and black pepper. And this is done. I'm gonna put them aside until the potato is steamed. For the side dish, I'm gonna steam some vegetables, broccolis, and okra. Okra is also in now in seasons. You can buy them throughout the year, but July, August, they are in seasons. Now I'm going to make fried rice for omurice. These are bacons, and I put all the vegetables that I cut into small pieces. And this is rice. I didn't steam in the morning. This is a leftover from last night. And I put some tomato ketchup This tomato ketchup is made with a Japanese tomato. The fried rice for omurice is typically made with a tomato ketchup. I check if the potato is done. It's done, so I'm gonna peel the skins. It's easier to peel the skins when it's hot, but it's very hot. And I mix it with the ground beef and onion. Mix it well when it's still hot. And I put some butter. People do not put butter when making korokke, but I just like the combination of butter and potato. By using ice pack, I cool them down a little bit before deep frying. And I also steam the vegetables. Now I'm gonna make an egg wrapper for omurice. Mix it well. You don't need to put any like sugar or salt, just the egg. Vegetables are ready. So I'm gonna make egg wrapper. Put some rice oil. Because I'm using non-stick pan, it's easy to make one. It's like making a crepe. If this is not for bento or I just making for lunch or dinner at home, then I usually cook the egg omelette uneasy, like it's almost raw. But for bento, I cannot make a raw egg, so I cook completely. This is the egg wrapper. I'm gonna prepare for frying korokke. This is the breadcrumbs, panko, and this is the flour. I'm gonna make this mixture into small ball. And I put flour, eggs, and panko, breadcrumbs. Take out any excess flour and put it into eggs and panko. Now it's ready to deep fry. Because inside is already cooked, so I just need to put some color to korokke. Now it's done. It's nice color. Now I'm going to put everything into lunchbox. First, I put in fried rice with the ketchup. You might hear my kids' voice background. They're awake. Now I cover the fried rice with the egg wrapper. I'm gonna put some sauce, chuno sauce. This sauce is made with fruits and vegetables. This sauce is also used for tonkatsu, deep fried pork, and people use it for korokke as well. And I put some mayonnaise to steam vegetables. And finally, I put tomato ketchup on omurice. And this is done. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I hope you enjoy it. I will try to put as much video as possible, so if you want to see more, please subscribe. Thank you.